Hello, good day everyone. My name is Pastor Stephen Eze, your online teacher. You can also call me Uncle Mas. You are welcome. Now, don't forget we are still on the same series of arithmetic progression. If you are joining for the first time, like I said, this is Uncle Mas. We are on the topic of arithmetic progression. Please, you can share our channel, let other people see it. Subscribe to it so that anytime we drop a video like this, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you very much. Let's go to the blackboard. Let's go to the whiteboard now. All right, look at it. This arithmetic progression. In case you have not watched the former one before, please go to the link below. You see, look at the series of what we have done before concerning this topic, arithmetic progression. Make sure you watch everything there, because this is lesson 5 now. We're on lesson 5. So we have done our lesson 1, lesson 2, and lesson 3. So today we are doing lesson 5. So in case you have not watched the previous one, please try and watch. Thank you. Now, look at it. Arithmetic progression. The sum of a series of an AP is the total of all its 10. We are looking at the sum today. The sum of an AP. The sum of the AP, look at this one. Look at this series of AP. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For example, the sum is just to add them together. You add them what? Together. Is that okay? Well, the first term is always A, second term is always A plus 1, third term is A plus 2, then the last term is always L. Alright? We have our A as the first term, just like 2. We have our L as the last term, just like 6. The N is the number of 10, and D is the common difference. In my previous class, I taught you how to get the common difference. You have to find a difference between the two, the first and the second, the one immediately after the first term. You get the common difference. All right, let's look at the sum. Let's look at the sum of an AP right now. All right, let's move forward. All right. I want to look at, from what we have done just now, we'll look at the sum. So then the sum, which is like this, which is Sn of the first term of the AP can be found using other of the following. As I said, then the sum of Sn of the first term of the AP can be found using either the following formula. We have two formulas we're going to introduce that can be used to get the sum of an AP. Alright, but one of the formula is Sn, the sum of an AP is equals to n over 2 bracket open A plus L. Where n, I told you what n is, any of the 10, A is what? First 10 and L is the last 10. Exactly. Yes. L is the last 10. So, or in the use of this other formula, we are not giving last 10, so can we use it? When we are giving common difference. This one we are giving last 10. But when in case we didn't give us last 10 and they were giving common difference, then you use this formula. Sn is equals to n over 2 bracket open 2a plus bracket open n minus 1d. n minus 1d. This is the other formula we can also use when we are giving, if we are not giving last 10 and we are giving common difference, then use this other formula. Is that okay? Alright, in case you have any question, you may ask in your comment section. We're going to look at working example. Let's look at our working example. Let me write on the board. Alright, this is the question. Example. This is one of the working example. So you find the sum of the first 10 or the first 10th term of an AP with this series number of 3, 7, 11, and 15 to infinity, the first 10th, which means this is just 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 10th, we're going to find the sum of it. How do we go about it? That's the solution. It's very easy. So first of all, we're going to, since in this question we're not given the last term, we're not told you what the last term is. So the first formula I told you will not work. Is that okay? So I'm going to do this formula here. I'll do this formula, which is, let's say, S n is equals to n over 2, bracket open, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So this is what we are going to use. Alright, if you look at this question very well, what's our first 10?
3.
What's our first 10?
3.
Our first 10 is what? 3.
3.
Yeah, I'm sure a is equals to what? 3. What of our n10?
10.
Our n10, n is equals to what? 10. What about common difference?
4.
Our common difference is what? 4. Common difference is what?
4.
Is equals to 4. Please, in case you don't understand how we got it, look at the first thing here. To get the common difference is 7 minus 3. We have 4. Then the 10 is one we asked to look for. They say the first 10th term of our AP. So that is the 10th term we're talking about. Hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Next thing to do now, we're going to substitute our figures into our formula. We're going to substitute our figure into our what? Formula. So now, the sum of an AP is equals to, our n is what? 10 over 2, bracket open,
2 times 2.
2
Bracket 3.
times 3 plus bracket open, 10 minus 1 times what?
D.
Times what is our d?
D is
4. Alright, so
That's
we
good.
take that Sn is equals to
5.
5, that's 10 divided by 2 is 5,
Yes. Bracket
2 times 3,
6.
6, plus 10 minus 1,
9.
9, into 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Now Sn total is equals to 9 times 4 is what?
36.
9 times 4 is what? 36. Is that okay?
Yes, 10.
So our
in bracket
Sn
5.
is that what?
Go.
Alright, look at the 5, this 5, don't forget to bring this 5 down here. 5 here, 5 in bracket. You now have this. 9 times this is 36. So what do I do now? This plus 36 is what? 5 plus 36 is what?
That is 42.
Huh?
42.
42. Now S and let me clean this part on the box so you can see what. The S n is equals to 5 into 6. I'm repeating it. 6 plus 36. So 6 plus 36 is what?
42.
6 plus 36 cannot be 22. Students.
42.
42. Thank you. 42 times 5. So 5 times 42 is give us what?
210.
210. So that is the sum of what? On the AP. So that's the final answer. That's the final word answer. If you have any questions, you can ask now. I will explain to you better. Or you go to the comment section and ask your question. In case you are waiting for the first time, please, as I told you, try and subscribe so you can get more of our video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. God bless you.